Divide the whole into 9 parts and take 7.
Done, sir.
Divide the whole into 9 parts and take 7.
Done, sir. Sir? Can you see, sir?
Yeah. Divide the whole into 9 parts and take 7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'll write it.
Where is 7 by 9?
Here.
Sir, I have done.
Here is 7 by 9, sir.
That is 7 by 9.
Yeah.
That is 2 by 9.
Sir, I have
7
done.
by 9.
Yeah. You have to write 7 by 9 and show me in fraction set
Sir.
7 by 9. Yeah.
thought
Yeah,
you
Shashwat.
Sir, can you see my?
Yeah, I can see. That is divided into 9 parts.
Sir,
Yes.
see.
But where is 7 by 9? Show me. Okay, show me. I was not able to see the complete fraction set.
Sir,
Show me
can you
again,
see?
Shashwat.
Now,
Now, Aman, you are correct.
yeah, I thought 2 by 9.
No, it was 7 by 9. Also write it somewhere and show me.
Yeah.
7 by 9. Divide the whole into 9 parts and take 7. 7 by 9, Savit. Very good. Seven by 9. Very good. Very good.
So can you see?
Yeah. No, I don't need to see you. I just need to see your board and you explain with your fingers.
Yeah. See. This is half.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here and 1, 2.
Yeah.
It's 2 by 4.
Very good.
Here and 1, 2, 3. Here is 3 by 6.
Very good.
Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 4 by 8.
Very good.
Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 10.
Very good. Very good. Very good, Aman. Shaver, now you explain. Show me and explain everything. Yeah.
There are only 4 equivalent fractions from half.
Okay. First one is half. Then explain.
2 by 4,
Yeah.
3 by 6,
Yeah.
4 by 8, 5 by 10.
Very good. Very good, Shaver. Very good. Okay. Okay. Now, Siddhpriya, it's your turn. Everybody has said. Only you are left. Are you getting confused somewhere?
We are done.
Now, Parul has got half, 2 by 4, 4 by 8, 3 by 6, 5 by 10. Very good. Now it's correct.
Sir,
Okay, 2 by 3 and 3 by 7. So, Shashwat, which is greater?
sir, this is the sign.
So, that point is towards a smaller number or bigger number?
Sir,
Shashwat, it's correct.
if the open side is showing 3 by 7, so it's big. So,
No. That is not correct.
sir, I'm done.
2 by 3. Yes, Parul, it's correct. Yeah, you're dividing into 6 parts, 3/4. Yeah, so 3/4 of 24 is how much?
What's that?
3/4 of 24 is how much?
3/4 of 24. I didn't understand, sir.
Yeah, that's what you have done. You have divided 24 into 4 parts and
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so 3/4 you can see it's 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6, it's 18.
Yes, sir. And
So
down
18
it's
is 3/4 of 24.
Yes.
You have already done. Siddhant has also done. So Siddhant, where is your 4 parts? Yeah, it's okay. Very good. Just show me 3 by 5. Yeah. Saver has got 3 by 5.
Sir, Sir.
3 by 5. Yeah. Now, Aman, show me 3 by 5.
So now 1 by 5.
Yeah, it's so
See.
easy. Yeah.
See.
3 by 5.
3 by 5
Uh,
into 1 by 6.
no, 1 by 3. 3
Yeah,
by
1 by
5
3.
taken 1/3 times.
Yeah, 1/3 time. So we have to do 1/3.
1/3
So what
of
is
this.
the 1/3 of 3 is 1.
Yeah.
So 1
by,
and 5 into 1
yeah,
is 5. So 1 by 5.
yeah, 1 by 5. Yeah, very good. Very good. Saver, did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah. Siddhant? Yeah, Siddhant. Explain how 3 by 5 became 3 by 5 taken 1/3 times. How will you do it on fraction set? Explain, Siddhant. 3 by 5 taken 1/3 times.
3 by 5 means we remove 1. We remove 2.
Yeah, then only it will become 1/3, no? Yeah.
Yes.
So now it is 1 by 5. So you have got the same thing on fraction set also.
One by 5 is subtracted by 5. So answer is 5.
Yeah. So 1 by 5 can be subtracted 5 times from 1.
Yes.
So that is why the answer is 5. You can subtract 1 by 5 times from 1. That is the main thing. Parul, now you explain.
Sir, 1 by 5 can be multiplied by 5 times. So we will put like 1 by 5 multiplied by 1 by 1 is equals to 5.
But Parul, this is a division sum.
Yes, sir.
So why you are saying multiplication? It is, the question was 1 divided by 1 by 5. How many
Yeah.
times 1 by 5 can be subtracted from 1?
For 5 times.
5 times. This you can see also in fraction set. You have to see and understand.